One beautiful morning, David woke up early, feeling very hungry. It was Saturday, no school today. He decided to prepare a very big and delicious breakfast for his family. David went to the kitchen and opened the refrigerator, revealing many fresh foods inside: eggs, cheese, milk, yogurt, orange juice, and strawberries filled the shelves. On the counter, bread, bagels, croissants, honey, jam, and chocolate spread awaited. First, David put bread in the toaster and warmed croissants in the oven. Then he cooked scrambled eggs in a pan and fried sausages and bacon. The kitchen began to fill with a wonderful, inviting aroma. Next, David carefully cut fresh vegetables, slicing tomatoes, cucumbers, and green peppers. He arranged olives and pieces of white cheese neatly on a plate. After that, he prepared sweet treats, fluffy pancakes, and golden waffles. He topped pancakes with maple syrup, honey, and fresh strawberries. Waffles received a generous spread of chocolate and sliced bananas. David also prepared many drinks, pouring milk, orange and apple juice, a warm cup of tea for his mother, and coffee for his father. For himself, a big, delicious glass of chocolate milk. Then he carefully arranged everything on the table, a feast for his family. The breakfast table looked full and colorful, a true masterpiece. Soon, David's family came into the kitchen. His mother, father, and little brother were very surprised. "Wow, this is an amazing breakfast," exclaimed his father, beaming. His little brother smiled brightly and said, "I want pancakes and waffles." Everyone sat at the table and started eating, enjoying the delicious food. They ate toast with butter and jam, pancakes with honey, eggs with sausages, and fresh fruit with yogurt. They drank tea, coffee, milk, and juice, savoring every moment. They talked, laughed, and enjoyed the delicious food together, creating cherished memories. It was a very big breakfast and the perfect start to a happy day.